Hello, Ron from 𝐲𝐤𝐚-𝐰𝐢𝐝. We have just brought out our latest package for you to enjoy with the purchase of your new caravan or motorhome, and it's called the Weekender. Now, if you know you're not looking for an annex room, you know you're not needing all that extra protection of what that a room offers, the Weekender is the perfect solution for just having some quick and easy shades to set up, and also getting your barbecue porch out over your Weber or your cooking area. So come and check it out. On the front of your caravan off your awning edge, you'll get the Deluxe Porch Kit. This is a 2.1 metre extension with all the spreader bars and curved rafters you need with the ropes to get your barbecue up and underneath. Great addition off the awning at all times. But of course, down the side of your awning and on your rear, we're going to make you these great quality plain shades. And these simply feed into the spare grooves on your awning roller. As part of the Weekender package, you get your flat kit curved rafter as well, so your end wall can actually feed off your flat kit, and it is reversible. So all this set up, you might get somewhere and the river is at the back. Pick up the porch, slide it down the back, pick up the end shade, bring it to the front and reverse the whole setup. Totally flexible, awesome setup, lightweight, small packages. It's a really great package to use for when you want a quick setup, especially if you're only staying 1 or 2 nights. This is another awesome bundle kit from 𝐲𝐤𝐚-𝐰𝐢𝐝. Get to the website, check out the details, or give us a call if you need more information. See you soon.